Today, I'm going to show you how Shorebreak Capital can help you achieve your financial goals sooner than you thought possible. If you're watching this, you are considering utilizing the professional help of an investment manager, financial planner that has decades of experience in the business. If you are still unsure if you should use an advisor or try to do it yourself, I would tell you that the best thing you can do is to learn from other people's mistakes and don't risk your own capital for things that have already been done before that you can avoid. If you're trying to go out there and beat the markets and beat the professionals that have been doing it for decades, you are setting yourself up for failure. It is extremely unlikely that you're able to outperform an investment manager and the markets by investing yourself with minimal investment experience. Investing is extremely difficult, but it also can be extremely easy too. Like my 10-year-old son can go on my computer and buy a stock in a minute. My son cannot go into a surgery room and perform brain surgery without killing the freaking patient. Okay? So investing is dangerously easy, which gets people in a bunch of problems because no one in their right mind would say, oh, yeah, I can go in and, perform brain surgery and extract a tumor from a brain without any medical experience and degrees and, years and years and decades of experience doing it. It's just not possible. So investing is like brain surgery, but it's easy to do. It's easy to invest. It doesn't mean you're going to invest right. Just because you can buy a stock doesn't mean that stock's going to go up. Just because you can buy a bunch of stock doesn't mean you built a good portfolio. It just means you have a bunch of stocks that you randomly picked that you think is good. But that's it. What research do you have? What back testing have you done to make sure that you are actually in the best investment portfolio you can be in? If you're saying, oh, I'm going to invest myself because I don't want to pay an advisor fee to manage my portfolio, well, you're greedy and you're not going to beat the professionals. I'm just going to tell you that. It's just, 1,000,000 to 1. It's very, very, very unlikely. The only way is you get super, super lucky and you make a lot of money. But if you're going to continue investing, you're most likely going to lose whatever you made because you don't have the fundamental framework to invest properly. If you do, then you should probably get out of whatever you're doing, the industry you're doing, and come join the investment management industry because you probably do really well if that's what you do. So make a decision. Do you want to do the investments, become an investment advisor, or do you want to just let someone that knows what they're doing handle the investments and pay a small fee to secure your financial future? Investing with a firm can help you invest with no stress. And this is what you want. You want to not think about your investments. You want to give it to a reputable, credible company that is a fiduciary that looks out for your best interests and not try to outsmart the markets and think that you can do it better. It is worth the money 10 times over, okay? It's worth 95 basis points is what we charge. First year, 75 basis points. We don't have back-end fees, commissions, or anything else, okay? It's fully transparent. That's what it is. It's well worth the money. Shorebreak Capital is an investment advisory firm, fiduciary. I've been in the business for 20 plus years. I'm the CEO and founder of Shorebreak Capital, and I built this company for you to leverage our resources and expertise and knowledge, so you don't have to take the risk of investing your own capital and trying to figure out yourself, because doing that is very costly and going to set you up for failure. So first is I would make the decision, do I want to invest myself and try to invest yourself, which you can do. And I wish you the best of luck if you try to do that. If you do try to do that, I would recommend, again, getting out of whatever industry you're in and just dedicating your life to investing and investment management, and do that. Have enough assets and enough resources that I don't even need Shorebreak Capital at all. Okay, I'm doing this and I have this company because I've worked so hard in the industry. I have such a valuable proposition for so many people, and I can help so many people achieve their goals, is why I'm here. I don't want to put all my work to waste. So I try to educate clients. I help them achieve their goals. And I do this for you, not for me, okay? I feel that I have a responsibility, because I do have the knowledge and expertise to help you. And that is what I want to do. So I would recommend, again, to work with some company that you feel comfortable with, that is a fiduciary, that has a track record, that has a system in place that can help you achieve your goals. Okay? So now what you need to do is figure out what firm you want to work with. So Shorebreak Capital is a fiduciary. We're a registered investment advisor. We have 2.5 billion assets under management with our partnership with Redwood Investment Management, one of the best investment management firms out there, with a 40% annualized growth rate. This is the portfolio that you can get into, an institutionally run portfolio at very low cost, access to investments that otherwise you would have zero access to, enabling you to invest alongside directly with the largest institutions and pension funds as a retail investor, with rebalancing and dedicated certified financial planning and all the resources and tools you need to achieve your goals. Shorebreak Capital is here to help you. And if this does seem like a good fit, then please schedule an appointment with our certified financial planner, Steven. He's amazing. He looks forward to working with you. He can help you out tremendously. And the best part is it's free. If it is a good fit, please schedule an appointment. If you schedule an appointment, please make the appointment. If you schedule an appointment and miss it, we're not going to reschedule it. We want you to be very serious about your investing and financial future, as we are. If you decide to move forward from there, then we'll start the onboarding process. We have a team to onboard you. Pauline is our relationship manager, and Steven is our certified financial planner. I am on the back end, and I run the company and the investments and oversee all the investments, okay? So schedule an appointment with Steven. He can help you. He's the best person that you want to talk to right now. He can get you plugged into our software system that gives you access to all your investments, all your accounts from everywhere, your financial plan, your asset allocation, everything at your fingertips 24/7. So you get plugged into that. The assets are held at Charles Schwab Institutional, top-rated investment custodian. Okay, we simply send you a DocuSign for an investment advisory agreement and some new account paperwork. So Shorebreak Capital, what do we offer? We offer certified financial planning, okay? And we offer asset management services, portfolio management services. As mentioned, the first year is 75 basis points. Thereafter is 95 basis points. We have 5 distinct, well-managed, risk-based portfolios that you can invest in. These are managed and built by Redwood and myself to allow you to get access to the best asset allocation, diversification, and investments that you can. Okay? The portfolios are designed based on risk, and they're back-tested extensively. So if you have a tolerance for a certain risk, like a large risk tolerance, then you could go into a portfolio that does fluctuate up and down, but has the highest growth projections. If you have less risk, you're closer to retirement, you want to be safe, we have dedicated portfolios that have specified drawdown metrics that allow you to know, okay, what are the possibilities for growth of the portfolio and what are the possibilities of a drawdown in the portfolio. Many people who invest, they have a certain risk tolerance and objective and time horizon, but they don't stick with it. It changes and it causes a lot of problems down the road. So by accurately determining your exact portfolio for your exact objective is paramount for successful investing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more videos to come.